Welcome back. Through counseling, advocacy, and support, the 1 in 3 Foundation works to provide healing and transformation to adult women survivors of childhood sexual abuse and sexual assault in Smith County. And this year, they're in need of support from you for East Texas Giving Day. So here to talk more about their goal this year is founder and executive director, Maya Bethany. Maya, thank you so much for waking up with us this morning.
Thank you for having us on.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about 1 in 3 Foundation.
Well, as the 1 in 3 Foundation, we provide counseling and healing resources for survivors of sexual abuse and assault, as you mentioned, but our primary focus is on women with little to no income. We're named for the 1 in 3 statistic from the World Health Organization that 1 in 3 women will experience physical or sexual violence in their lifetime. That means everyone knows a survivor. And in that case, we didn't want there to be any barriers to care. There's so many stigmas that go along with being a survivor of sexual trauma. There's so many stigmas and barriers to mental health care. So primarily our focus is on providing services to those with little to no income so that they can begin their healing journey.
Absolutely. I'm seeing some photos, some fun photos. I'm assuming these are coming from some events. We do know that it is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. What have you guys been up to this month?
Primarily, our focus has been on an awareness campaign. We've been doing something called Use Your Voice. Your Voice Matters. We've been working with a poet that has written some beautiful art pieces that encourage and inspire other survivors to speak up and to speak out. We've also been focusing on partnering with other local organizations. The UT Tyler Social Work Program, the East Texas Crisis Center will be a part of their Denim Day event this Saturday, and we're very excited about that. And then we also have East Texas Giving Day coming up, as you mentioned.
Yeah, so going back to East Texas Giving Day, how are you guys going to be using these funds?
These funds will go directly to support our counseling services. So when someone reaches out to the 1 in 3 Foundation and they have a financial need but don't have health insurance or medical care to receive counseling, we put them in connection with a licensed trauma specialist, usually Brenda McBride. She's amazing in our community, and we fund that. All of that comes through donations, and that's the support that we're working towards. We do have from an anonymous donor. We're blessed to have a $5,000 match.
Wow, amazing.
So yes, any gift up to $5,000 will be matched by that donor.
Wow, that's amazing. So where can people donate?
We have a shortened URL, so we have bit.ly/help1in3. You can go there. You can go directly to the East Texas Giving Day page. We are the very first organization that is listed.
Hey.
So you can go there. You can also find volunteer opportunities with us, and you can go to 1in3foundation.org and also learn more about our organization, our programs, and if you'd like to get help or give help, you're able to do so on our website.
Absolutely, Maya. Thank you so much for explaining all of that, and it seems like you guys are really working to kind of break down those barriers that can also sometimes prevent people from getting access to some of these resources. So thank you so much for joining us and telling us more about 1 in 3 Foundation. Like we've mentioned all week long, East Texas Giving Day is April 25th, but you can start donating as early as today. And if you want to meet up with the 1 in 3 Foundation, they'll be at Denim Day with the East Texas Crisis Center this Saturday, April 22nd. For now, we're going to go ahead and toss things over to meteorologist Chandler Jordan. Hi, Chandler.